Near Tower 80 information November. Time 1145 Zulu. Wind 280 at 3. Visibility 10. Ceiling 1,400 broken. Temperature 19, dew point 19. Altimeter 3001. Expect ILS approach runway 25 in use. Use caution for birds in the vicinity of the airport. Advise on initial contact. You have information November. Citation net ground cleared to the Peachtree Dekalb Airport via direct. Maintain 3,000. Expect 4,000. 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 126.97. Squawk 5170.
Alright, good morning. Citation clear to PDK direct 3,000, 4 and 10, 2697, 5170 on the squawk, and we do have November.
Found the reback is correct. Advisory to check.
I'll let you know, citation. Ground citation at the restaurant, ready taxi.
Runway 25, taxi via whiskey.
25 via whiskey, citation.
We have 104, 104, 107, 121. And we'll have a ref of 107 at PDK.
Net Tower, turn right heading 320, runway 25, clear for takeoff.
Heading 320, runway 25, clear for takeoff, citation. Alright, power is set. Everything is in the green. Okay, good. 2 good engines, airspeed's alive, 70 knots.
Oh, it's checked. V1 rotate, V2 positive rate, you'll gear up. And plus 10 at 400 feet, we can go flaps up.
Plan for departure, identified third, radar contact a mile west of Gwinnett. Expect ILS for night 2 must approach with PDK. There's no rush. Just let me know when you get ATIS Delta.
Over to Dr. Delta now for citation.
The KPDK information Delta time 1154 Zulu. Wind calm, visibility 10, sky conditions, ceiling 1,200 broken. Temperature 21, dew point 18, altimeter 2999.
4946 Hotel Charlie, are you good at 4,000?
Runway 21 right, expect the LS approach runway 21 left. Left airman, runway 164 clear.
Flooding 310.
Heading 310, you have Delta.
Thank you. Turn left, heading 240, intercept the localizer.
240 and intercept localizer, citation.
6 miles from Sham, maintain 3,000 to your status on a localizer, flight ILS, runway 2 left approach.
3,000 to establish, cleared ILS 2 left.
Alright, good to go flaps approach. Alright, speed dust check.
Connect tower 120.9, good day.
Over to tower, citation. It's tower, citation. ILS 2 left.
Peachtree Tower, runway 21 left, clear to land.
Clear land 2 left, citation.
Alright, good to go flaps to land. Speed dust check. Airport's in sight.
Now that we're on final at PDK, thank you for riding along on this quick little 10-minute hop from Lawrenceville to PDK. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Click the bell notification to stay updated on new videos.
November 11 Charlie Alpha, runway 21 right, clear touch and go traffic 2 mile final for the parallel runway. Citation.
Runway 21 right, clear touch and go 11 Charlie Alpha, and I'm looking out for that traffic.
Citation. Traffic midfield right downwind for the parallel runway, Cherokee.
Traffic in sight, citation.
.500 above.
Got the runway in sight, gears down, 3 green flaps are full, just the yacht good.
As we clear the runway and taxi to the ramp, thank you for flying along. See you in the skies and fly safe.
Cross 102 on right, contact ground point 6 other side.
Cross the right side over to ground, citation. Clear the end of the runway, taxi down.
Clear Peachtree ground, say again, you're a Cessna.
Yeah, we clear the end of the runway and we're taxiing to Epps.
Taxi to Epps, Alpha Bravo.
Alpha Bravo to Epps, citation.